A former top aide to Buffalo Mayor Byron Brown was in federal court today as part of a case that a judge called a black eye for politics.
News 4's Chris Ravadas is in the newsroom tonight to tell us what this is all about. Chris?
Don, there was a time when, according to one former Common Council member, everything from hires to stop signs in the city of Buffalo went through Steve Casey's office. He was first deputy mayor under Byron Brown for several years. This morning, his consulting firm was ordered to pay a fine that will just about zero out its accounts and thousands of dollars in restitution.
And I think Steve Casey got involved in issues of money and power, and it went to his head.
It's a case which led federal Judge William Scretany to say in court Wednesday morning, it gives politics, if you will, a black eye. LSA Strategies, a political consulting firm run by former Buffalo Deputy Mayor Steve Casey, was ordered to pay a small fine and more than $8,000 in restitution after admitting to committing wire fraud during a 2012 political campaign. The candidate at the center of it all was former Erie County legislator Chuck Swanek.
Yes, this is a blem in the system, but it is certainly not something that should upset people. We'll move on and we'll do better.
Swanek unsuccessfully ran for a state Senate seat in 2012. Court paperwork says LSA arranged for political mailings to be produced for the campaign. Prosecutors alleged that Casey asked the printing company to increase its invoices to Swanek and kick the money back to him and his consulting firm.
The work for those charges was performed. There's no claim the work wasn't done, and the case boils down to Mr. Swanek saying that he didn't understand that he had to pay for this.
Rodney Personius represents Casey's consulting firm and says this was really more of a misunderstanding.
They had 6.5 years to conduct an investigation, and you end up with a single plea by LSA Strategies, not a plea by Mr. Casey.
Personius told us Casey would not answer our questions this morning, but Casey did make a brief statement in court. He said LSA accepts full responsibility. Chris Ravadas, News 4.